Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on suggested actions and replies in our notifications in Samsung S22. So we are looking for notifications options. We are going to settings, then notifications, and here we have advanced settings. In advanced settings, our suggest actions and replies for notifications right now is turned off, as you can see. To turn it on, we simply tap this checkbox once, and that's it. This function is now turned on. No need to save. We have to just back out to our main menu, and that's it. Our option is turned on. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.